Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. As you can see on the screen, we're going to be taking a look at Preequell. We will look at the sales page, but we're going to jump right into the software and look exactly what you're getting for the money you're about to give up for this product. So inside of Preequell, you're going to get a dashboard. It looks like this. It's pretty, it's nice, gives you some good information about the number of questions you're going to be putting up, your responses, your users, because the whole point of Preequell is the simple fact that you're going to be using quizzes to get leads. So you're going to be putting out information other than just your standard, boring, dry Facebook post or any other social media that you're sharing it on, or send an email to get feedback from your customers, your potential clients, all that good stuff. And this actually, the concept of Preequell and quizzes and decision trees and using them for engaging content is actually a really good idea. And I'll tell you why. Because in 2017, quizzes were hot and they were continued to be hot in 2018. And I wrote a blog post about it March 5th, 2018. You can read that over on the 30-Minute Marketing blog. I'll put a link in the description. As well as I did a product that revealed that the 8 out of the 10 most shared articles in 2017 were, quizzes. So I did a product about using quizzes to get leads in 3 different niches. So you can see right here, this is a sales page, and there'll be a link in the description. And the reason I'm putting that there is not for you to buy anything, is because I did this product back in 2018. So now I give this product away for free because the information is still valid. The problem is if you wait for 2 years before you update a product, which I do have plans to update this product, I want to make sure that you get it, but you also understand that the information you're getting here is valid, but I don't want to take your money for it because, like I said, it does need to be updated as far as when you look at some of the technical issues or the technical abilities of the softwares that I may have recommended. But what I want to show you right here was, and the reason I'm showing this inside of the Preequell review, is that if you do this correctly, you can see here the 3 different niches, one in marketing, internet marketing, make money online, parenting, and also in self-help and development. Right here, you can see the reach as well as the comments, shares, and all that good kind of stuff. And again, this product was called Quick Q&A Commissions from 30minutemarketing.net. And like I said, there'll be a green button on that page here in the description. You can pick that up for free. And again, the reason I'm telling you and giving you that information is because I want you to be able to make a good decision about picking up this software that Preequell is. Because Preequell is a front-end software that's going to let you do surveys, which in this case, surveys, quizzes, decision trees. This is just a way to build engaging content. So this software product is going to work, but the question becomes, is this the best software that you can get for your money? And that's really what this boils down to. This review is talking about the software here, Preequell. So inside of Preequell, and we'll go back to the sales page real quick because I want you to understand what's going on. You're about to start ethically brainwashing people into buying from you for $313 or more a day. Okay, that headline is crap, but the point here is brainwashing. I mean, if you like that spin on it, what you're doing is you're giving people a different way to get to the solution that they're looking for with their problem. And that's what marketing is all about, helping people solve their problems. So ignore all this. Done for you, 59 seconds, built-in traffic. I'll show you the traffic here in a second. If you don't see results, we'll give you triple your money back. I can't even imagine how long, and I'm not even going to look at the refund policy to make sure that they don't have to pay you triple your money back. So you've never seen anything like this before. Again, I did this in 2018. Link in the description. You can get that training for free. It shows you software that you can use as well. And I'm going to show you a YouTube video I did on that and show you that software that you can pick up. That's from a 100% true tested source and an evergreen product and a company that's been around and ain't going nowhere. Okay? Get thousands of begging to buy from you, a case study. You're ready to use, done for you campaigns, no experience required, completely saturation proof, web-based software, profit from any device. Again, the software itself, not a problem. So you go here and you look and you can view the survey and you can see here, I mean, this is pretty basic web-based page builder that's just taking your information, your input, and creating just basic pages that you step through. So I mean, there's nothing wrong with this interface. It's actually very nice. One problem I will show you though, and they may fix this before the launch, I don't know. This is a couple days before the launch. You can see right here the problem is this site is not secure. So that may be an issue down the road when you start trying to share it on some of these social sites. Because one of the components on the sales page was with built-in traffic. And again, the problem that I have with that is here's your traffic, get traffic, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, WhatsApp, and then you can hit the plus button right here. You can hit this plus button, you'll see all the other social shares. You can click more, and it's going to bring up a list of things here that I've never even heard of. Now, you may have heard of some of these, and you may use these to get traffic, and this may be the thing you're looking for, where you can create a quick survey, quiz, or decision tree and then share it out. But you probably do that with WordPress, and I'll give you a little hint. The product I'm going to show you integrates very nicely with WordPress, and tons of people use it and use it successfully. So again, we'll close that. There's some done-for-you funnels. We'll take a quick look at some of those just to see if you're getting your done-for-you money real quick. So here's one right here. Muscle building, magic tricks, get rid of belly fat. So if you're in these niches, that'll work. But make money campaign, let's take a look at this template. So here's what the done for you looks like. It's going to be done for you inside of the editor. And of course you can see this is a very basic editor right here. And again, it's not really the issue because it doesn't need to be that complicated. Once you get traffic over to it, they're going to enjoy the quiz as long as it's worded correctly. And this is the key, making sure that the content inside the quiz, not the function of the quiz, that's pretty simple, like I said, but the actual step-by-step and the mentality, their brainwashing, if you will, the marketing component of getting people from the point where they start the quiz all the way through the quiz, delivering a response to the quiz to give them helpful information, and then move them on to your product or your affiliate product to get that commission. And that's really what you're trying to do right here with anything you do, and even inside of Preequell. So let's see and take a quick look at the tutorial videos. So another good thing about this Preequell product is there are some short tutorial videos in here, how to create a survey, how to use done for you surveys. So this is all about how to use the product itself, how to get traffic. Of course, again, I showed you that's just sharing it on social media and other platforms. How to make money from videos. They're going to talk about right here, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo. You can see the basics right here. Quizzes are interactive. Great, unlike blog posts and review videos, no doubt about it. That's what I said. I did this training in 2018. I talk about these same points where you can increase trust, you can offer bonuses and educate, right? And you can use paid traffic as well and retarget with pixel codes. All great stuff, again, once it's created. So it looks like that part of it, that piece of Preequell is not an issue whatsoever. But I will show you the issue that I have. And that goes back to the sales page, and it's this simple things that they put on here. 100% done for you. It's not 100% done for you because you're going to have to make sure that it's targeted to your audience, that the content inside of the quizzes makes sense for every product, and not just for the product, but for the exact niche that you're targeting, which is the audience with their specific problem and your solution that you're providing to that problem. Because that's where the real power of the quiz or the survey comes into play. And again, you've never seen anything like this. Gets thousands of people begging to buy from you. You're ready to get your done for you campaigns, 100% ethical and legal. Really, I don't have a problem with that. As far as the software, I got a problem with that when it comes to the sales page. But really, again, the sales page is what it is. Here you can see some Warrior Plus snapshots, screenshots. We talk about this here on the channel. I talk about this with you. I show you these screenshots. You go down here, you look at this, you think, where does this money come from? How did they collect all this money using a tool that came out to sell Warrior Plus products? They must have really tested this tool and really used it over the last 30 days to make $180,000. Well, here's the thing. Let me show you inside of the funnel of this product. So this is the product itself over at Warrior Plus, and of course this is the vendor right here. But here's the product funnel for this. This is the product funnel. So you get Preequell for $19. So whatever that is, look at the next upsell, which is Unlimited Pro. So you're going to get Preequell, but there's going to be limitations on there. So once you purchase it, you're going to get another page, and it's going to talk to you about, oh, now you've got the tool, but you need to make sure that you're going to get all the traffic so you get all the money. All right. And again, this is marketing to an extent, but the problem here is they're going to go up to Pro, then they're going to have a down sell to a Unlimited Pro Lite. Then they're going to be an upsell for done for you, an upsell for buyer traffic. But I thought you were going to get all the free traffic you wanted with the built-in traffic generator inside of the $19 product. Okay? Again, this is just the problem. This is the issue that I have with the sales page, not the product and not the concept. And that's why I want to make sure that you get this training. Just like I said, I delivered this training in 2018. It was a hit. It was a success, but now I give it away for free because the training does need to be upgraded again. Because when you look at some of the screenshots that I show you inside the products that I showed you, they're going to be a little outdated because software changes in that amount of time. And it's not really the concepts, it's not the ideas, it's not even the implementation of surveys and quizzes and decision trees. These are all still great if you get the marketing right, if you get the message correct. Okay? But again, like I said, this funnel is going to get you inside there, upsell, downsell, Unlimited Pro, buy traffic, autopilot, all this kind of stuff. And again, these screenshots come from a marketer that releases these training products: Profit Tiers, Loop It, Fusion, Limitless, Profit Whirlwind, 3-Step Profit Machines, Quickfire Commissions. These were all released on Warrior Plus. And again, if you look at Warrior Plus dashboard, this is my dashboard for my vendor sales and my affiliate sales. So you can see that this is what the dashboard looks like. So when you're looking at their sales page and they're showing these snapshots, you really have to think, where did these sales come from? Did it come from the sales of products like Preequell, which are software and training? Which again, I'm not complaining about the software and the training. I'm talking about, do you really need to spend $19 and get trapped in a funnel to spend a whole lot more? And then just to come find out 30 days later, they're going to be releasing the next big thing that's going to get you all the free traffic and buyers that you could ever want. This is just something that you have to make up your mind to break free of, this thing of coming to a sales page like this, reading it, and getting sucked into the fact that these numbers don't mean anything when it comes to actually using this product to make money. Because most likely, again, when you go into the done-for-you funnels and you look at some of the done-for-you funnels, the done-for-you funnels and the niches that they're offering you done-for-you funnels in don't even sell on Warrior Plus. Muscle building, magic tricks, get rid of belly fat, of course, Profit Tiers campaign. This was and is a product that was released not just too long ago. And you can see right here, they made 3,000 sales and they created a done-for-you campaign for you to promote this product utilizing this software. Again, nothing really wrong with that. It's just the mindset and whether or not it makes sense for you to spend your money to promote their products and get into this endless cycle of telling people about, hey, check this product out. It's all you're ever going to need. And then 30 days later, telling someone, hey, this is the next product that you need because this is the new hot thing. And again, like I said, in March 2018, I wrote an article about quizzes. And I did that for the simple purpose of I was drumming up interest into my quick Q&A commissions that was released in 2018. Again, link in the description. You can click right here to access this for free. When you click that green button, you're going to go over to register for your free account. All you do is just enter your name, your email address, set up a password, register your account. That'll drop you right inside of the members area. You're going to get the quick Q&A commissions report, which is a PDF. I got a FAQ spreadsheet in here. I got a 30-minute method cheat sheet, checklist, workbook, some internet marketing, frequently asked questions in case you want to try to use some of those if you're trying to use quizzes, surveys, and decision trees inside of internet marketing. Some IM questions that have been answered. A little bit of training on retargeting and remarketing as far as that goes. This is talking about using Facebook. You saw in the Preequell training that they were talking about this as well. Of course, you can contact support, and I do have some unannounced bonuses in there as well. So again, like I said, link is in the description. You'll land on this sales page right here. You can look at the sales page to see exactly what I was talking about, and then just scroll down until you see that green button click that green button right there and you'll get right in here to quick Q&A commissions. And now let me show you the software that I promised to show you at the beginning of the video. That software is Thrive Themes Quiz Builder. And you can see right here they cover this in depth, how the Thrive Quiz Builder works and the reason that it works and the psychology behind using a quiz and taking a prospect from that first question and building that trust through the quiz and delivering that solution to their problem at the end, which again is going to be a link to your affiliate product or your own product. And of course, this costs $67 to run it on one of your websites, but you'll own this and you'll know that you're going to get unlimited free updates and 1 full year of support from a company that has been around for a long time and is not going anywhere and continues to develop all of their software as well as support it. Not to mention that I have a YouTube video on the Thrive Quiz Builder, and I'll put a link in the description. You can check that out as well. So at the end of the day, it boils down to the Preequell sales page. It's their overhyped promises and the simple fact that you're not going to get this for $19. They're going to get you into an upsell to get the Unlimited Pro or whatever it is and get you in there and start thinking about, hey, it's going to have a very slick sales page to get you to purchase the done for you, as well as the paid traffic option and all these other options that you just don't need. So in the comments, let me know what you think about Preequell and just using quizzes, surveys, and decision trees in general, and whether or not you're going to pick up Preequell. And of course, if you do pick it up, let me know how it goes. I would love to hear about it. If this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up, 30-minute timer here on the end screen. Click that, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, just like the videos you see here on the end screen. Click those, keep learning, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.